Let's see an interview question, that is, what is the difference between JSP colon forward and JSP colon include action tags? So one side write JSP colon forward and one side you can write JSP colon include. So the first difference is what? So it performs forwarding request forwarding request mode of chaining. Next it performs including response mode of chaining. Next difference here, it discards JSP colon forward discards the HTML output of source JSP program, whereas um, performs or does not discard the HTML output of source JSP program. Sorry, source JSP program. Next, response goes to browser window from source JSP program having the HTML output or containing HTML output of destination program. Response goes to browser window from source JSP program having the HTML output of a destination program. Here, so response goes to browser window from source JSP program, both HTML output that is source and destination programs. So what are the things we learned from yesterday's and day for yesterday's session and today's sessions? So these are the differences that I found. Okay, fine. So let's see an example Java application, example JSP web application on JSP colon forward and JSP colon include. Forward and JSP colon include. Sorry, JSP colon forward and param tags. One more example. Action tags. Fine, guys. So what are the things just now I told to you? I wish to try by using this way. Okay. I wish to try by using this way. Either you give direct request Okay, either you give direct request or create HTML page. Both are possible. Fine. So